students, today we will continue our lesson The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, who was the Indian poet, received the award of Sahitya Akademi, then Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan also. So here, in this lesson, the Ruskin Bond express how the rumor can spread when the fact is not touch its roots. There is the proverb written by him that the lie can spread all over the world when the fact or truth just root off. So here in this lesson there is the conversation between the characters, and the messages by their conversation can be twist and turn and spread over the world or over the city. At first there is the beginning of two characters, Nathu and Sitaram. Nathu was the sweeper boy and Sitaram was the washerman's son. Nathu was working as a sweeper boy in People Nagar Bank. The owner of this People Nagar Bank is Govind Ram. So one day when Nathu was cleaning the steps, there was a dust on the steps, and when he was hurriedly and carelessly cleaning the steps, the dust rise up and create the cloud above his head. And that's why he became so angry that the same dust again settled down on the steps. Then Sitaram was the passerby asking about his angriness, and that time Nathu replied that he was just about to leave the job because the bank has not given his salary up to the 20th of this month. There was the conversation between Nathu and Sitaram. Nathu did not receive his salary up to the 20th of this month, and that's why he said, when I got my salary, I will be off from the bank and I will do the another work. Then Sitaram went to his job. He had a bundle of freshly clothed above on his head, and that's why he went to the next door. Then when he went to the next door, he heard the conversation of this lady that she need the sweeper boy. She need the sweeper boy, and that's why Sitaram asked this lady, Mrs. Srivastav, I knew the boy who need a job. Now he is working in the bank, but he is just ready to leave the work, and that's why he will join to the next month. So, in the first conversation, Nathu and Sitaram both were discussing about the job, both were discussing about the Nathu's leaving reason of the bank. Then, Sitaram and Mrs. Srivastav who discuss about the need of the sweeper boy. Mrs. Srivastav need of the sweeper boy, and that's why she says to Sitaram, call him tomorrow, I will discuss him. Soon. So, in the second conversation, both were discussing about it. But after the discussion, what will be the twist and turn of the message? What will be the changes of the thing? It creates the rumor in this story. And when Mrs. Srivastav went to the shopping in People Nagar market, she has his habitual or usual shopping. When Mrs. Srivastav meet the another one, what will be the message she transferred to the another lady is given. Now, when both were discussing about that, Nathu thought that who would think that the bank would not given the poor man's salary? Who would think the bank would not given the poor man's salary? Generally we think that bank or bank owner is the richer person, and so that they have plenty of money to give salary to their workers. But here, when owner Govind Ram didn't give the salary to Nathu, he had decided to leave the job, and that's why the rumor transferred from Nathu to Sitaram, then Sitaram to Mrs. Srivastav, and then Mrs. Srivastav to the another lady. And every time the message can be twist and turn and change the whole situation. It creates the rumor that the boy who broke the bank. Today we will stop here. We will take the remaining part tomorrow.